In this first module, you will learn how to select local businesses to include in our guide. It's an essential step. A good selection makes for a more relevant, more useful, and more lively guide. The goal is simple. Identify good companies, gather their basic information, and properly categorize them in the shared Google Sheet. You can search on Google, Facebook, other networks, or websites, as well as in the documents provided to you. Let's take the example of the city of San Pablo. Type in keywords like San Pablo Restaurant, San Pablo Hotel, cleaning services, and other activities. Observe the active pages, those with nice photos and recent reviews. Avoid incomplete or inactive pages. Then, always do a Google search of the business to see what appears on the first page, often the Facebook page, Instagram account, or the website. The Google My Business listing will provide you with a lot of information, but we also want visibility on the social networks that appear in the results. Each company must be added to the shared Google Sheet as shown in the example on your screen. You have a column to indicate the best media found. For example, if the company has a nice website but an outdated Facebook page, or conversely, an active Facebook page but a very old website, you will indicate the most relevant support. At this stage, you do not need to note the position within the company, such as manager or secretary, the title, sir or madam, first name or last name, unless this information is clearly indicated on their website. Email addresses are welcome if you find them, but the phone number is strongly recommended. Remember to check for duplicates. A company should only appear once. And most importantly, proper spelling, no unnecessary capital letters, no clickable links, and no typography different from the rest of the document. The right pace is about 5 to 10 prospects per hour. Ikaram. You can group them by type of activity. For example, if you start with hotels, stay within that category before moving on to the next. At the end of each day, check that your spreadsheet remains clear and send a message in your work group to indicate your progress. A well-organized database will make everything else easier: visuals, QR codes, layout, and contact. Locating is a bit like being an explorer of the local territory. The more you observe with curiosity, the more hidden gems you discover. Cafes, workshops, hotels, or lesser-known services. And that's the value of the project, to reveal what others ignore. In summary, search selects the active pages and Google classifies, enters the information into the table, checks readability, duplicates, consistency. Thank you for your involvement. Each identified business is a future entry in the guide and can become a new premium client. In Module 2, Creation, we will teach you how to generate QR codes and prepare visuals.